Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you quick demonstration how to share Google Drive files and folder with your colleague, friend or anyone. Specific file or specific folder. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So open your Google Drive, like I'm open my personal Gmail account, Google Drive, and such kind of folders are available on that particular Google Drive. So look at this, all three folders are plain, that one also plain, but that folder is not plain. One man image comes on that particular folder. It means I'm already share this folder someone in this particular. So now how to share another folder on someone? So click here and then press the right click, share this folder, and then type here research rocks and personal Gmail account mine. So just description on that particular folders, and just I'm type here sample files and send. So this file is just sent on that my YouTube channel email account. So now I am check, really I received this email? Absolutely, I am receiving this email. And now open. So direct I click on that particular link. So my drive TTS audio samples, and share the Sangram, share with Research Rocks. This link is, I am receiving this particular folders. So now second options comes, right click and then get shareable link here, and then copy this link and share anyone via Gmail, via WhatsApp or everywhere this particular link. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.